Hello student, today we continue with our lesson number 3rd. Today we learn 5 commands which all are related to each other and also see the practical of it. So let's start. Our first command is pan up command. The pan up command is used to pick the turtle pan up from the screen. When you type the pan up, the turtle does not draw any line while moving on the screen. Second command is pan down. The pen down command is used to put the turtle pen down on the screen so that it can draw again when it moves. This command is used after the pen up command. Third command is pen erase. This command is used to erase an incorrect line from your drawing. Fourth is pen paint. This command tells the turtle to start drawing again. After using the pen erase command, it is necessary to use pen paint command so that the turtle can start its drawing once again. And last command is backward. This command moves the turtle in backward direction to the given number of steps. Now see the practical. First is pen up. Suppose I write FD 50 and enter. Now I type PU, that is pen up command, and enter. Now again I write FD 50. So you can see here the turtle don't draw any line because we use pen up command. Now our second command is PD command, that is pen down. Suppose I write PD command and enter. So the turtle put the pen down here. Now I type FD 50 and enter. So the turtle move in forward direction and draw a line. You can see here. Now our third command is P command, that is pen erase. P command is used to erase any incorrect line from your drawing. If you want to erase the incorrect line, then you must type this command and draw again. For example, my turtle moves forward 50 steps incorrectly and draw a line. So I must erase this line. So I use P command. So we write P and enter. And in next we use BK 50 because turtle move 50 steps forward. So I write BK 50 and enter. So you can see here our turtle moves in backward direction and also erase our line. Now last command is PPD command, that is pen command. The pen command tells the turtle to start drawing again. It is necessary to use PPD command so that can start its drawing once again. Now I write PPT and enter. Now again I write FD 30 and enter. So the turtle start to drawing again. I hope you all are understand this command. In next video we will continue with our lesson number 3rd. Thank you.